Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making Snapchat use less data by activating low data mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by going to your profile page on Snapchat. Tap the settings icon from the top right. In Settings, scroll down to the Additional Services section and then tap Manage. Activate the first toggle here to turn on Data Saver. Data Saver reduces Snapchat's mobile data usage. When it's on, you'll need to manually load content like lenses and snaps, and they may take longer to view. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.